Hello everyone, how are you all doing? I got these mini notebooks on my local supermarket on sale, and being the notebook hoarder I am, I bought it. But only two of these designs I like, so I decided to revamp and redecorate these three bad boys and turn them into some cute stuff. By redecorating, I mean using highlighters. I really like these neon colors popping in front of my eyes. Let's start with the first victim. Remove this notebook spring first by twisting it outwards, or you can use magic like this, and voila, it's gone. I used a white cardstock to cover the front and back cover. And I'm sorry if my sentences is a little bit redundant. I know, but what do you call these two notebook covers? Lately, I'm into cute flamingo designs, that's why here I go. Enjoy the montage of how I made this cute neon flamingo with a little bit of summer hangover. Here's some fun facts for you. There are only 6 species of flamingos in the world, and the word flamingo comes from the Spanish word flamenco, which means fire. You can also follow the notebook design I made, which is also inspired by my online research of flamingos. Or you can create your own by adding little details like some mini triangles or any geometric shapes you want. I made the mistake punching holes early cause I decided to wrap the covers with some contact paper to protect the notebook covers and also to create a more polished look. You'll see what I mean later on. For the notebook pages, I really think it's a little bit dull, so I went and colored the sides with the same neon pink highlighter I have. I also added 2 extra notebook pages using some pink colored paper as a notebook accent. This is totally optional, but I decided to paint the spiral spring in gold paint to match the theme of my mini notebook. And the first notebook is done. In a separate DIY video, I created the Faces of the Moon journal notebook. Make sure to check it out after watching this video, and this second one was inspired by it. I wanted to recreate that design with a twist, which is still a touch of summer. I still can't get over summer, as you can see. Well, I'm sorry. I once saw a picture of a blue watermelon and later I found out that it was photoshopped. But nonetheless, it looks cool and that's where I got this idea from. The blue watermelon was called Moon Melon. That also inspired this notebook design. Just like the first mini notebook, I added 2-page accents using shiny craft paper, and I also painted the spring in gold paint. Don't forget to color the sides of the notebook pages so it won't feel lonely. I did it in this yellow bright neon color. But being an extra I wanted to glam this design more by adding some small pearl beads. Just insert the pearl beads while twisting the spring alternately. Just make sure the beads are small enough so you can still open the notebook pages with ease. The last and probably the simplest but the most colorful design was just a basic bohemian pattern inspired notebook. I just googled bohemian pattern and just draw on freehand. I really like how this looks raw and imperfect, a handmade craft but still looks so well made. If you know what I mean, I just made the same pattern for the front and back cover. Since this already had too much color and busy pattern, I left the spring in its original black color, but I deliberately colored the sides of the notebook pages in this bright rainbow color. It's such a happy color, isn't it? Finally, we are done with these 3 kawaii super cute mini notebooks. I really like how this tree turns out, and I'm so happy to add them to my growing notebook hoarding collection. If you want to see my notebook collection, just let me know. I hope you enjoyed this one. Make sure to tag me photos if you try to recreate any of the DIYs I made. Leave a like and subscribe. Have fun, enjoy more art, and stay creative. I'll see you in my next video. Have a great day, everyone!